Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download stock price data from Alpha Vantage for ML, beginner guide step by step clearly. To download stock price data from Alpha Vantage, start by visiting their website. Navigate to the Getting Started section. Here, you will find the option to sign up for a free API key. Fill out the registration form with your basic information. After submitting the form, check your email for your newly created API key. Next, open your preferred coding environment. If you haven't already, make sure to install the requests library. You can do this using pip in your command line. Begin your script by importing the requests library. Define a function to fetch stock price data. Within the function, specify the base URL for Alpha Vantage. This URL typically ends with query. Add your API key to the query string. Specify the function you want to call, such as time_series_daily. Next, you will need to include the stock symbol you're interested in. Combine all these elements into a complete URL string. Use the requests library to send a GET request to the constructed URL. Store the response in a variable for further analysis. Check if the response status is OK to ensure data was received. Parse the JSON data from the response. Extract the relevant stock price information from the JSON. You can convert this data into a pandas data frame for easier manipulation. Once the data is organized, you can save it as a CSV file if needed. This will allow you to use the stock price data for machine learning projects. Make sure to handle any errors or exceptions while fetching the data. That's it. You're now ready to use Alpha Vantage for stock price data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.